Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, excelexperthack.com. Today we are going to see the 2D chart of actual versus budget. So let's begin. So in this chart guys, here we have given one table where we have mentioned the month, actual budget, allocated budget, actual and budget. This actual and budget two columns are nothing but to reflect the actual and budgeted lines. These are the data from which actually the table is getting built up. So how to make this? So here we need to select the entire table, go to the insert, and from insert you need to go to the insert line or area chart in this 2D line chart. So we need to go for 2D line chart, click on this, and here you will find out the chart has been already generated. Here all four lines are displaying, which is actual budget, allocated budget, actual and budget. So how we can utilize these two columns to show which line is for actual one and which one is for budget. For the budget one, I just need to give the last value because your budget is always built up at the beginning of year or project. I will just click enter. And with this line, when I will select it, I will go to format and then select a particular budget, which is the yellow one, which is displaying here. Now this 1825 I need to show at the end of this line. For that, go to the chart design. So here in add chart elements, you need to go to the data labels. In the data labels, you need to click on the right side. So here the 1825 you need at the right side, but actually guys, we don't need 1825 here. We need a name as a budget. So how to change this one? Click on this name, right click, format data label, click on this, and here you need to select a series name, and you need to deselect the value and show leader line, both one. Once you deselect, you will find out here the budget is already displaying. Now for the actual line, it is little bit difficult to show the actual tag on this actual line because actual is changed every month. Now we are in September. So here 780 actual budget has been utilized out of the allocated budget of 1105. So here if I will put 780 and then I will follow the same procedure, go to format, go to actual and then go to chart design, data label and at right side. Here 780, if I will change this to format and go select a series name, deselect value and leader line, here actual will be displayed. But if the next month the budget, actual budget has changed and the user will enter the actual budget for the next month and hit the enter button, you will find out this actual tag is not moving with the actual line. So how to overcome this problem? Let's see. Click delete. Here you need to put a if statement. In the if statement, you simply put if and then use a AND function. In the AND function, you need to utilize the B3, which is the first month, which is less than or equals to nothing. Then what it should do, it should go to B4 and check if it is nothing or it has a value. If it has a value, it should show B3, else it should show nothing. If I will give here the double colon and hit the enter button and use the same formula everywhere, you will find out here all actuals for the each month is displaying. Now the issue is, even I have shown or utilized double colon without any sign in between or keep it empty, still Excel understands it has some value. To overcome this, we should give an error which is NA. As usually you must have noticed somewhere, Excel always gives error in hash and then N/A. So it shows actually an error, but now in this case, if I will directly put that error into the formula, then Excel doesn't understand what should it do with that particular cell, and it will keep it empty. So I will hit the enter button. You can see here it has shown hash N/A, and I will implement this formula to the all cells. Now you can see here is a 740, all the actuals has been gone off, and here now actual is showing perfectly well. Now let's try, and here I will put the next month actual budget and hit the enter button, and now this actual is moving with the line of actual budget. So this way guys, you can make the chart of actual versus budget in 2D line graph. So this way guys, you can utilize this 2D line graph to show actual versus budget. That's it guys for this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button to get our latest video on time. Thank you very much guys.